Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma had reiterated his opposition to the VIP culture while addressing a gathering on October 5. He had declared that even his own security cover should be withdrawn to set an example for others. Sarma had said that he had strongly opposed the VIP culture and would have linked to remove his own security. Referring to the incident involving singer Zubin Garg, he had said that it had shown how much people disliked such privileges, adding that there should not have been any VIP security at all. The Chief Minister had further stated that his government had drastically reduced the number of police personnel assigned for VIP protection from around 4,000 earlier to just 600, redeploying the rest for road duties and public service. He had also argued that ministers and MLAs should not have personal security officers, as such arrangements created barriers between elected representatives and the public.
জুবিন গাৰ্গৰ ঘটনাৰ সময়ত দেখিলে মানুহে ভিআইপি কিমান বেয়া পায় সেইকাৰণে ভিআইপি তো থাকিবই নালাগে মইতো বিচাৰো মোৰ পৰাও এইবোৰ উঠাই লৈ যাম এতিয়া উপায় নহলে আমিতো কাবাক নিৰাপত্তা দিব লাগে কিন্তু মইতো নিজে বিচাৰো যে মোৰ মন্ত্ৰী এমএলএ কাৰো লগত সিকিউৰিটি থাকিব নালাগে আমি কিমানৰ পিএছও উঠাই দিছো আটাইতকৈ ক'ব গ'লে আমাৰ দিনতে 4000 পিএছওৰ পৰা আমি 600 লৈকে নমাই দিছো আৰু সেই পুলিচবিলাক এতিয়া ৰাস্তা ডিউটি কৰে